If you're looking to add watermarks to your PDFs using Adobe Acrobat, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to place either text or image watermarks on your documents, customized for appearance and applied only where you need them. This is a great way to protect your files, add branding, or simply indicate document status right on the page. Let's dive in and walk through the process together step by step. First, go ahead and open Adobe Acrobat and load up the PDF you want to work with. If you're starting from the desktop, just double-click your file. Or if you're already in Acrobat, choose File and then Open. Taking a moment here to make sure you've got the correct document is important, since the watermark will be added to whatever file is currently open. Now, to access the editing tools, look up at the top of Acrobat's window and click the Tools tab. This brings up a whole set of features, but you want to select Edit PDF, usually found in the right-hand pane. It might seem like a generic name, but this is where most document customization happens, including watermarking. With the Edit panel loaded, look for the Watermark button. Click it, then select Add. Don't worry if you haven't used these features before. Acrobat's interface makes it fairly straightforward. A dialog box will pop up, and here's where you'll set all the crucial options that control exactly how your watermark looks and works. In the Add Watermark dialog box, the first thing you'll notice is the Source section. Here you choose between a text watermark or an image watermark. If you want something classic, like marking documents as confidential or draft, just click the Text radio button and type your desired word or message in the field. You'll see options below to tweak the font style, font size, color, and even rotation. If you want your watermark to be angled across the page like you see in most official documents, try a 45-degree rotation. Don't forget about opacity. Set a lower percentage so your watermark is visible but not overpowering, letting your original content show right through. If you'd rather use an image, perhaps a logo or company stamp, select the File option. Click Browse and choose a JPEG or BMP image file from your computer. You can scale it up or down, rotate it, and adjust the transparency, helpful if you want a subtle branding mark that doesn't distract from the content. Next are the appearance and position tweaks. Decide whether your watermark should appear behind the main content for a less intrusive look, or right on top. Use the horizontal and vertical position settings to nudge the watermark exactly where you want it on the page. Remember, it's absolutely fine to experiment here. Acrobat shows a preview so you can double-check before applying your changes. Do you only need the watermark on certain pages? Maybe just the first few, or only on pages with sensitive information? Look for page range options in the top right of the dialog. Here, specify the exact pages you want the watermark to appear on. If you're not sure, you can always come back and fine-tune this later, so don't stress about getting it perfect the first time. Once you're happy with how everything looks in the preview window, go ahead and click OK. Acrobat will apply your watermark according to your preferences. Don't forget this final step. Save your document. Click Save, and your changes are set. If you think you'll need to watermark other documents in the future using the same settings, you can click Save Settings in the dialog. This can save you tons of time down the line. And that's it. You've just learned how to add text and image watermarks to PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.